Welcome to Easy Go Guide. My name is Anup Chandran and today we are going to see 3 simple steps on how to work towards any goal. So let's begin. Before we start, let me clarify that these steps have been jotted down based on my personal experience of solving the Rubik's Cube, and this had been my extravagant goal for some time now. And all the life's goals is somewhere like solving the same Rubik's Cube. So step 1 is make it look easy. A big complicated goal may seem a bit overwhelming to you, so there could be a chance that you won't even start it. And even if you would start it, you might quit it soon. Thus, it is very important for you to make it look easy. For example, if your goal is to build muscles by going to the gym, a lot of different machines would look overwhelming to you. And after joining the gym, second, third day, people usually quit because the task of going all the way to gym and doing the workout for 45 minutes seems like a very boring and tiring task. This is where the first step comes to your rescue. So instead of focusing on going to the gym, it's better to focus on just getting up from bed. And once you get up from bed, focus on getting fresh. And once you get fresh, shift your focus on just starting your step towards going to gym. This way of thinking will make the process look simple for you, and your mind will not be able to trick you into quitting. Number 2 is to focus on one step at a time. Everybody wants to be successful, but when it comes to actually working towards your goal, it feels a bit obnoxious. Thus, it is very important to focus on one step at a time. Like in a gym, you have to plan your workouts, but when it comes to actually doing your workout, you have to focus on single workout at a time. In short, any goal needs a particular amount of time to get fulfilled, and the duration depends on how big or how small your goal is. The safest way to work towards any goal is to focus on one single step at a time. This approach won't guarantee when you will reach towards your goal, but it is a guarantee that you will. Number 3 is to be consistent. Anything that has been achieved till date, be it an invention, discovery or business, had one ingredient common in it, and that is consistency. Consistency in attitude is the root of all success, and the lack of it has been a problem for 99% of the failure. But as easy as it seems can prove to be a devil of catastrophic impact. Calculation and planned steps with the iron attitude of consistency will help you to achieve any goal. But do remember to use common sense with it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.